Next is consideration approval of purchase utility payment kiosk to be located at the Utility Customer Service Center at North Timbers for $30,000. I think that.
Yeah, Mayor, Council, just real quick, this may seem like a minor item as you look at the grand scale of this agenda, but it's an important item. I know for several council members over the last year and a half plus, has been a concern about being available to receive payment for utilities in multiple ways. Obviously, most of our payments are done electronically on their phone or on your computer, but there are still some that request in like a human interface. And so this item will do two things. Is first, out at North Timbers, which is the former Francis Tuttle building where finance and HR and other departments are out there. Right now, you currently, unless you have a badge, a city badge, you cannot get into that building for security purposes. So in addition to this $30,000 to acquire a kiosk, similar to the kiosk that's in City Center or City Hall today, will be proposed to bring a kiosk out to that lobby area and to open up that lobby, still have it secure for the rest of the building for our employees, but to a kiosk to go in there to take payment, as well as a station for a customer service representative to be there in case individuals need assistance either with the kiosk or have questions about their utility billing. The other part of that, I will just tell you is right now, if you go out to that building, you have to know where things are in that building. There's not signage, but we're in the process of getting that done, hopefully by the end of the year. So a number of improvements out there to improve our customer service to our citizens. So you can come, I'll call it to the west side of Edmond, or you can come to the central Edmond to this new location. So with that, happy to answer any questions.
Mr. Manager, thank you. Does the $30,000 include the signage?
It does not.
Okay. And when's that come online, the kiosk?
The kiosk, Kathy just walked out.
Mm-hmm. But it'll be up, the signage will be up soon?
I don't have we can get back to you on the definite on the timeline for the kiosk. I do know last time we ordered the kiosk, we did have some delays with receiving the kiosk. So as soon as we receive it, then we will put it out there.
And so the signage will kind of be hand in glove?
Yeah, so opening up, the goal would be, council member, to open up the facility in Q1 of 2024 so someone can walk in and pay their bill. Kiosk will be there as well, and the signage will be there on the building. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Rigby, I'm super excited about this. I know I've talked to you about this since you came on board about wanting a physical person. I didn't care who it was to visit with our residents. And truly, all of the people that I talked to said they didn't care about the location. They just wanted a person. So this is exciting that this is happening, that they'll have a person.
I think the interesting thing is a lot of people question how many people come in and make a payment with the kiosk or in person. I'll just tell you, if you look at the agenda report, just at City Hall, I think the number is 450 transactions a month. Wow. It's probably more often that there's somebody there than not. Mm-hmm. And oftentimes there are, I'll call it 2 or 3 people waiting in line. So it's a valuable service. We know the bulk of people do online, but there's still a number of people that like in-person access.
Mm-hmm. I think that's an amazing amenity to offer. And when I say to our elderly residents, well, myself included, but I'm just so happy this is happening.